CSK has not been doing so well. So everybody had moved towards CSK hoping that this time Dhoni is going to show his magic where CSK can win the cup. There was so much of expectation from Dhoni and CSK team. Now what is the fate of Dhoni? Now if you see his Dasamsa chart, Saturn is in the Simha and exactly it is 8th house Saturn transit. So will the time be favorable for Dhoni? No, it's not going to be very favorable for Dhoni. For Dhoni, it's going to be lot of opposition. He may have to get down and all his batting magic or the bowling magic, everything will come down, including his strategy, including picking up of the players, everything will not fall in the right place. The performance will come down and next 2.5 years can be very crucial, which will push Dhoni to move into retirementship even from IPL. Now the added to it is Jupiter will be moving from the 11th house to 12th house after October. So the pressure of stepping down will come close to the next IPL match series. So Dhoni playing the next CSK match or within 2 years, him continuously playing CSK or to be in the cricket field will be very, very crucial or very, very questionable. And might be he can act as a consultant, he can act as a trainer in training people to become very successful in the cricket career. But for Dhoni to be the big player in CSK team, the time is really ticking against him. And this time, his age is one component and the time is not so favorable. Both will make the Dhoni to come down and drop the IPL team or the IPL race completely. And for Dhoni, he has always done it very suddenly. But this time it is not sudden. People have been telling, and the time is also with the Saturn transit, the closing or the end of the career will be pushed towards him where he cannot do anything more to show his magic. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about Dhoni. Thank you.